Hello lovely ladies, welcome back to my channel. I realize that many of you subscribed in recent days because you're interested in how I take care of my damaged relaxed hair. So this video is an update of where I've been, where I'm going, and how things are currently right now. In 2020 I made this video about relaxing my hair after like 25 years. Then I cut my hair into this cute bob and you could not tell me anything. It was gorgeous. And then almost exactly a year later, I was looking like this. All of my hair broke off and it was a mess. Now it's about 7 months later and I am going to Texlax my hair using ORS olive oil new Texlax and Stretch semi-straightening system. That was a mouthful, but basically this box is going to help me loosen my curl pattern without getting it bone straight. I'm also going to color same day using Dark and Lovely Reviving Colors. With this product, I'll be able to relax and color on the same day. If it doesn't say relax and color same day, I'm not messing with it. It also has shea butter to keep my hair soft. But I'm also going to need my heat protected spray and black castor oil. I'm going to need a moisturizer for when I'm done, some combs, scissors, rat tail comb, clips, what else? Oh yes, my heat tools, and a baggie. So we have to go ahead and get started because my husband said that he wanted to take me to brunch later on in the morning, and I feel like I can get this all done before we are ready to head out. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my black castor oil and coat my hair. I'm going to coat the ends of my hair so I can protect it from any runoff. I'm also going to use this to base my scalp. I feel like this is thick enough to base my scalp with. So this is the crown jewel. This is ORS Olive Oil's new Texlax and Stretch semi-straightening system. And here's what comes in the box. You've got the stick, the gloves, the instructions, and it also comes with the Texlax cream base. And it also comes with the activator, which is something they call Allegro oil. Now that's a special blend formulated to hydrate the hair. It also comes with the leave-in conditioner, and look at this, it's infused with rice water and electrolytes. This is the sweet orange oil replenishing conditioner that goes on after I'm done rinsing out the relaxer and shampooing with this Color Q shampoo. So let's go ahead and get this exclusive Allegro blend into the Texlax cream and just mix that up together. Now this is supposed to have maximum moisture and nourishment for enhanced curl memory and also help me reduce breakage. Look, don't judge me, ladies. This is my technique. My hair is not that long right now. It's not that cumbersome, so this is my technique. I just part it straight across and go, straight across my hair, top layer, bottom layer, and apply the cream. So remember, this is supposed to give me a mild straightening and also leave my hair with some type of curl definition, which, leads to it being stronger in the end. So Roy at Zealous Beauty Lounge saw my relaxer 1 year back relaxed damaged hair video, and she said that it looked like my hair was over processed. So I thought it would be a good idea to try this ORS olive oil Texlax and Stretch semi-straightening system. I'm telling you, I'm hoping that it's going to leave my hair with some curl pattern and hopefully it won't be over processed. I consider my hair to be coarse 4C hair, so the instructions recommend to leave it on for a maximum time of 10 to 13 minutes. 13 minutes maximum. So that's what I did here. I thought my technique was pretty good. I just go right in. I don't feel like my hair is long enough right now to do the, pre-parted method. It won't stay pre-parted. I would need to use rubber bands or something like that. So I just part my hair and just go right into the roots. You see, at some point I stopped using that spatula. For me, it's important to get the time back. So whatever is going to be the quickest for me to slap in this cream and just leave it on, then that's what I'll do. And this has been my technique. So now after about 10 minutes, I'm ready for this Color Q shampoo. And like most, chemical straightening systems, this shampoo is formulated to stop the Texlax process. And also it says Color Q because when the lather is in, it turns pink, indicating that the relaxer or the Texlax is still activated. So you want to just keep rinsing and washing with this until that lather turns white. And so this is my second wash. There was quite a bit of shampoo in that packet. They're not giving us little packets anymore, okay? ORS is being generous with this shampoo and all of their other products. And 100% transparency, I didn't get a chance to use everything in the box. They have a leave-in conditioner and then also the styling lotion. I didn't have a chance to use everything because I'm also coloring the same day. So in another video, I'm going to use those other products and test those out because they do give you a good amount. Look at how much lather there is. Isn't that awesome? And you see it's white, so I'm going to be ready to rinse this out very shortly. So now that that's all rinsed out and I'm confident that the Texlax is now neutralized, I'm going to go in with this replenishing conditioner. Now I also have a whole bottle of it, but it doesn't have the sweet orange oil. So I'm going to use the pack that came with the box because it smells so good. So look at the curl pattern. You still see that I have some texture here, and it's just going to give me a little bit more manageability. And you can see, you can compare it to the other hair that is already relaxed. So let's crack this open. It's a nice thick consistency. See, it smells so good. So now I'm just going to distribute this evenly throughout my hair and then put on a plastic cap. Now, I thought it would be a good idea after I relax to put on the conditioner before my color. I don't typically do that, but my hair felt a little bit like straw, so I wanted to make sure I put on the ORS conditioning first, and then I was ready for the color. So now this is the Dark and Lovely Reviving Colors. I'm going for a dark, pretty much jet black look. And what I love about this box is that it's super easy to use. It comes with a bottle of color, instructions, and a leave-in conditioner. So that basically means that once I do the color, I'm done. I put in the leave-in conditioner and I'm done. Here are the results that you can expect to see. And all you have to do is shake up the bottle. There's no mixing or anything. And it comes with its own set of gloves, of course. Pop that baby open and start applying. Now, I just attack the front of my hair where all of my little grays are. This gives me full, complete gray coverage. And if you get a little bit on your skin, just use some oil or some Vaseline or whatever and wipe it off. I'm using a blow dryer here because the instructions say that if you want a vibrant shine, that you should use a blow dryer a little bit. So I've rinsed and now I'm ready for the leave-in conditioner, and you can already see how jet black my hair is. So I put on the leave-in conditioner and then now I'm spraying it with my heat protectant, and I just go in with my blow dryer. Now my blow dry technique is not that amazing, but we can get a chance to see, how much my hair has grown out. I did give myself a cut earlier in the year because I wanted to even out my hair, because I went to a salon and she just completely butchered my hair. It wasn't even even. It made no sense. You guys can check out that video rant. But now I'm ready to start taking care of my hair myself, or if anything, I'll go back to Soraya at Zealous. She's based out of New York, but she's worth the trip because she's a celebrity stylist. So you should check out that video where she hooks me up with 2 custom wigs, and I'm telling you, like, just fire. So I'm super pleased with my progress. If you look at my previous video where I talk about my damaged hair, I had no hair in the back. So now everything's growing back. I think I've been taking care of it pretty well. I did give myself a trim, like I said, a few months back. So I'm just trying to at least even things out from when that woman butchered my hair. But now I'm happy. I feel like I'm on the right track now. So please subscribe and keep watching, and we are going to continue to take care of this relaxed/texlaxed hair at home. So let's talk about the results, okay? My hair was definitely not relaxed. It was not bone straight. It wasn't even close to bone straight. It did leave a lot of texture in my hair, so I have to see how I'm going to like that. If you want a straighter look, then texlaxing will not be for you. I don't know. I just have to see how I'm going to like it, but I still had a lot of texture left. But I think that's going to be good for me because, like I said, I overprocessed my hair possibly, and that's why it fell out. So now I'm just going in with my edge control, my edge booster, because like I said, like your edges are not going to be laid after using this product. So I just put my scarf on for a little bit to help set my hair, and this is the final result. You know, I have some uneven pieces, but I'm not going to cut my hair. I told myself I'm not going to, because I'm cut happy. I said I'm not going to cut my hair until the 6-month mark because I have a habit of cutting off all of my gains. So I don't want to do that this time around. And one of the reasons why I relaxed my hair was so that I could have quick and easy styling. And that's what this was. I was able to finish my hair in a little more than 2 hours. And now my husband and I are ready to head out to brunch.
Find out. It's a good health. Grips. Yeah. Roleplay and calamari.
Great.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Yeah, I have a spoon right here. This. Wow. Good, right?